Are you
What's
ready?
up?
Liam?
What's up?
Now you can open this.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you've been waiting, haven't you?
Take a little
Oh. I think that's a megaphone.
Yeah. What is this? Can we see? Oh, it's a cup. It's a cup.
A closet organizer. Another bulletin board. That's a big cup, isn't it? Show Daddy. Show Daddy the big cup.
Oh boy. Look at that. It's even bedazzled. Sparkly.
That's nice.
Socks. 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 Uh-huh. What do you have there? Oh, wow, isn't that cool, huh?
Now he's got a cup.
Yes.
Isn't that neat?
Liam, Liam. Liam, I don't know what's in this one. It doesn't shake. This doesn't shake.
Thank you.
Can you get that present for me?
Can you carry this to Daddy?
Right there.
Here, carry it. Oh, I'll let McDougal carry it. You want McDougal to carry it? Here, can you, whoops, can you carry it? Carry that to Daddy. That's Daddy's.
Give it to Daddy. Okay.
Can you take that to Daddy? Oh, here's one for Liam. The-
He's trying to shake him out. You know what, Liam? I need to put these in there. Can you bring it over to me? Or you take them over and put them in there, okay?
Here, let me hold it open for you. Thank you. Okay, here, Liam.
Oh, there's some more there.
Let me get the rest.
Well, let's see what it is. You can help me open it. Okay.
It's one of
Okay,
those
grab
fitness
hold.
trackers.
Hold.
Oh, okay.
Do you see
Uh-huh.
that advertised?
Oh,
I mean, I've
let's
seen
get
it
some more here.
advertised.
Okay.
Oh, it's a bracelet.
Hold. Oh, wow. Pull. Ah, thank you, Debbie.
Here's
Where are you
another
going with it?
present. Oh, put it on the couch.
Ah,
He's gonna
thank you,
put all the
Liam.
presents on the couch.
Daddy
Here's
wanted
another
this.
one, Liam.
Here. Well, no, it's for you. Try to take the plastic.
That's pretty heavy, isn't it?
Look, here. Okay, do you want to give
Here,
Pop a
this
present?
one's not heavy.
That's for Papa.
Look how tired.
Ooh, look. Got a bunch of clothes, Liam. Nice long sleeve
Let him
top.
feel how soft that one is. The stripe one.
Oh, yeah.
Feel how soft, Liam.
Look how soft. Yeah. Oh, we got jeans. Look. Nice.
Look, Pop-Pop.
Oh, wow. Isn't that nice?
You're crazy, baby. You know that?
Let him feel that one.
Is it nice and soft?
That's soft. Oh.
Oh.
I thought that was different.
Oh, that's cute.
Say Merry Christmas.
Eli has the same one.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. Think how late
You lay down.
dry.
Liam lays down. There you go. Okay. Okay.
I thought these were the nicest.
Oh, yeah.
Liam, do you like these comfy pants? He likes.
Where are you going? Are you going to open it over there? Show me. What's inside? What's inside? Okay, Daddy's going to open it.
Oh, Oh, Daddy's opening present.
That's cute.
Daddy's gonna open it. Can you open it for Daddy?
Or that you should be climbing on that. Technically, it's my present anyhow, but we can open that box right there's for you. Ooh,
Hey, Liam.
cute. Thank you.
You moved on me. You moved. Yes, you did.
Nice. Say it's closed for mommy.